Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and today I'm going to be filling this beautiful strawberry talavera pot with a variety of succulents. I received this pot for my birthday, and traditionally these are filled with strawberries and they grow from each of the holes, but I am going to be filling it with succulents, so let's start. The first thing that we need is cactus soil. So this is a well-draining soil, and I mixed in some perlite. It is filled with soil, and I'm going to start by using some of the hanging succulents that I wanted to incorporate. So I have a calico kitten, and then one of my favorites, a burro's tail. So I'm going to add these to all of the holes. I am all done with the talavera strawberry pot. It looks so beautiful. I've been wanting to fill one of these with succulents for a really long time now, and I'm so happy I finally got to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.